Hi guys, welcome back to Home Crooks. I am Priya and today I'm going to teach you how to make a ceiling wreath for Christmas decorations. Let's get started. For this you're going to need a big ring wreath base, lots of cypress branches which we are going to tie to the ring base with this jute twine, and we are going to need some ornaments. I have here pinecone ornaments, clay ornaments that I made last year, and some of the regular ornaments. So let's get started. So first we are going to fill the wreath base with our greenery, and then we are going to add our ornaments and other embellishments. So first you're going to break the branches into small little bunches like this. So you want to have small little clusters of greenery that you will tie around the wreath. You can use a floral wire. I am going in with plain jute twine. So tie it once where the stems are tied once with the solid and unpliable stems, and then you want to tie it once so that the branches will be floppy when you hang the wreath up. Everything should be nice and in place. When you go with the second cluster, make sure to have it underneath the first one, like so the base is entirely covered. Once the wreath is filled, you're going to check for a few blank or bald spots and insert the greenery in between the branches. It is good enough to hold them. They'll be floppy, but they will add extra oomph to the wreath once you hang it from the ceiling. So this is what you're looking for, a few of the greenery strands hanging loose downwards, and now we are going to add our final touches to it before hanging it up the ceiling. So this is a pinecone ornament that I made last year. These are pretty easy if you don't have wires or other things to hang it up with. You can just dump a generous amount of hot glue here and add a ribbon to it, and I think it turns out pretty great without needing much material. So I'm going to add this to a jute twine like so, and I am placing it on the wreath right once. Make sure to add a couple of knots because the pinecone is heavy, and if you leave it loose, it might not hold the weight. And now I'm going to add one more knot. Just put your hand right at the base where it comes around and make a loop like this and put the cone through it. So this is what you're looking for. Now I'm going to add two more of the pine cones with cascading height. So if this one is here, one would be here, and the another one might be a little bit longer. So we are going to repeat the process. Now I am going to hang these clay ornaments. I am going to try my best to hide the thread knot under the foliage. So I have also taken these in cascading thread lengths, so it looks complementary to our pine cones. Right now I have no idea how this is going to turn out. The greenery looks great, but I am skeptic about the ornaments and other things. But as they say, you need to trust the process, and I am trusting it. It better not fail me. And now it's done for the ornaments. So these are also in cascading lengths. If you want, you can do this step after hanging your wreath on the ceiling, but I'm not going to do that because I'm afraid of the heights and I don't want to fall and break my neck. So let's just do it right here. So I have flipped the wreath upside down, and now I'm going to add a few strings so I can hang this. So where I'm looking to hang it is a big concrete pillar with nails on its opposite sides. So I will have to add 2 strings, but if you have one, just add 4 here and join them in the middle. So this is the final result. Let me know if you like this wreath and whether you'll be trying it at home or not. And if you do, please share your results with us. Merry Christmas!